In this video, I'll explain how to find the limit of this sequence. So the given sequence is 0.4, 0.44, 0.444 and so on. So the first term of the sequence A1 is 0.4, which can also be written as 4 by 10. So A2 equal to 0.44, which is same as 44 by 100. So A3 therefore it is equal to 444 by 1000 and so on. Here we need the limit of the sequence. So limit of the nth term of the sequence. So sequence an equal to, so the first term is, second term is 44 by 10, 44 by 100. This is 444 by 1000 and so on. So nth term means it continues. This is the sequence an. So I want limit of an as n tends to infinity. So before finding the limit, see here, you take 4 common from each term. So you will get 1 by 10, then 11 by 100, then it is 111 by 1000 and so on. So now this is equal to, I will multiply each term by 9 and divide by 9. So I'll get 4 by 9, divide by 9 and multiply by 9. So each term multiply by 9, 9 by 10, 99 by 100, 999 by 1000 and so on. So now this is equal to 4 by 9. I have done this way because now this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1 by 10. So 99 is 100 minus 1 by 100. Writing the numerator in terms of denominator. So 999 is 1000 minus 1 by 1000 and so on. This is equal to now 4 by 9 to 10 minus 1 by 10 is 1 minus 1 by 10. Split it. 10 by 10 is 1, 1 by 10. Then it is 1 minus 1 by 100. 1 minus 1 by 1000 and so on. So which is equal to 4 by 9 to 1 minus 1 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 10 square. I can write this as 10 square. 1 minus 1 by 10 cube and so on. So this pattern is to recognize the nth term of this sequence. Hence, therefore, an equal to 4 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n. That is because first term is 1 minus 1 by 10 multiplied with 4 by 9. Second term is 1 minus 1 by 10 square. Third term power of n equal to 3. So, nth term power 10 to the power n here. This is your nth term now. We have to find the limit of this sequence. Limit of this sequence is obtained by applying the limit as n tends to infinity to the nth term. Therefore, limit as n tends to infinity, an equal to limit as n tends to infinity, substitute the nth term value 4 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n. So, as n tends to infinity, see 1 by 10, this value is less than 1. Therefore, as n tends to infinity, x power n any value equal to 0 because this value 1 by 10 is less than 1. So as n tends to infinity, 10 to the power infinity, this value is infinity. So 1 by infinity, this becomes 0. So you will have the remaining value 4 by 9. Therefore, limit as n tends to infinity an equal to 4 by 9. That is the answer for the limit of this sequence. Similarly, if you have the sequence 0.5, 0.55, 0.555 and so on, the limit of this sequence is 5 by 9. So 9, that is fixed in the denominator. So based on this value here, you will have the term in the numerator. If you have 0.6, 0.66, 0.666 and so on, in that case the limit of the sequence is 6 by 9. This is how we calculate the limit of these kind of sequences. I hope you got the concept. Thank you for watching.